Hi guys. I know I just posted a video. I do need to correct something in the video. Not necessarily correct, but my sister, many years ago, it was 20 plus, I don't know, we did start in the OR turnover tech. My sister's not still a turnover tech where she's in the OR. My sister is an OR technician. So my sister knows all those surgeries. She's can do anyone at the back of her hand. So my sister is side by side with these surgeons, and giving them their instruments. She can tell you every instrument in the world. My sister can do a surgery at the back of her hand, and also I can hear Remy in the background. That's the puppy. Um, my sister has a puppy. He's Remy, and I could hear her in the video, but I didn't want to do the video again. But that's the only correction that I wanted to let you guys know. My sister's an OR tech now. She's been OR tech in the OR for many years, and she can tell you anything about any kind of surgery or anything like that. And we all are. My other sister, Shanika, she's also is director over at North Shore. So yeah, we're all still in the medical field. My nieces, they all do billing and coding. I'm not saying how or why or what made them want to do it, because they love their jobs. But they're all in the medical field too. So I just wanted to kind of let you guys know that. And again, I'm going to do the next video soon. It's just so much, with billing and coding and surgical surgeries and hospitals and facilities, whatever you want to go into. So I'm going to end this one. This was just a real quick one, just to kind of let you know a little bit about us. Bye.